In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Excel for free. If you're eager to dive into the world of Excel without the cost, stick around as we explore some fantastic options that are simple, safe, and won't cost you a dime. First up, let's talk about Excel for the web. This is a completely free version of Excel that you can access via any web browser. All you need to do is head to office.com. Once you're there, you'll find a suite of Microsoft's online tools at your fingertips. Now, while the web version doesn't have all the bells and whistles of the desktop version, it does offer the basic Excel tools you need. You can edit worksheets, use formulas and charts, and perhaps one of the most convenient features, enjoy cloud autosave. Imagine, no more worries about losing your work because it's saved as you go. Just keep in mind that you'll need a free Microsoft account to use this service. Signing up is straightforward, and once you have your account, you're good to go with Excel for the web. Moving on to our second option, we have something special for students and educators. If you're affiliated with an educational institution and have a valid school email address, you can get Microsoft 365 Education at no charge. This fantastic offering includes full versions of Excel, along with Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Teams. It's an incredible toolkit for both study and work. With this educational package, you can access the full range of features that Microsoft Office Suite provides, making it an ideal option for those in academic settings looking to maximize productivity and collaboration. Lastly, let's discuss the 30-day free trial of Microsoft 365. This is an excellent opportunity for anyone who wants to explore the full power of Excel without immediate cost. When you sign up for this trial, you get the desktop version of Microsoft 365 for 30 days. This means access to all the advanced features and tools Microsoft has to offer. However, a word of caution. While this trial is truly free, you'll need to be vigilant about the date. To avoid any charges, make sure to cancel your subscription before the 30-day period comes to an end. It's a great way to test out the software without fully committing right away. And there you have it, 3 accessible options for enjoying Microsoft Excel for free. Whether it's through the web version, an educational plan, or a trial, each of these methods provides unique opportunities for you to harness the power of this essential spreadsheet tool. Be sure to choose the option that best suits your needs and start exploring the endless possibilities Excel offers. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.